Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the depths of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Today, we have an incredibly empowering topic to delve into: Life Path 11. So, if you're ready to unlock your potential, embrace the journey, and break free from limitations, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. As always, take the messages that resonate with you and reflect on those that doesn't. Before we embark on this enlightening journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our transformative content. Now, let's talk about Life Path 11 and how it can guide you towards a life filled with purpose, abundance, and spiritual awakening. As you know, I do not believe in coincidences. If you're here, I have a special message for you, so pay close attention. If no one else in your family or close friends follows anything other than regular life paths, this unique circumstance has placed you in a position where everyone looks to you for leadership. While it may seem like an honor, it also brings about feelings of loneliness and a burdensome weight that you yearn to release. The description of the 11 life path resonates with you completely, except for the desire to walk away from the responsibility you feel. Despite your immense mental strength and ability to handle it all, there is still a longing within you to step away, at least temporarily, and find solace in much-needed rest. Life Path 11, often referred to as the master number, is an incredibly powerful and spiritually significant life path. If you were born with this life path, consider yourself truly blessed. Life Path 11 individuals possess unique qualities and characteristics that set them apart from the rest. If you don't know the unique qualities and characteristics of a Life Path 11, at the end of the video, I will link to a playlist where you can learn and find out more about Life Path 11. But here is a short overview. Life Path 11 resonates with intuition, sensitivity, spiritual insight, and a deep connection to higher realms. People with this life path have an innate ability to tap into the cosmic energy and bring forth profound wisdom and healing into the world. If you've ever felt like you're here for something greater, something beyond the ordinary, it's likely because you have a master number or a Life Path 11. Now, let's talk about how you can embrace your potential as a Life Path 11 individual and step into your true purpose. The first step is to embrace your intuition. Trust the whispers of your soul and allow your inner guidance to lead the way. Intuition is your superpower, your compass in this journey of self-discovery. Listen to it, honor it, and let it guide you towards your highest good. This message is particularly important for those of you who feel exhausted or fatigued. If you currently feel as if you are at the end of your strength because everyone is draining you, that's precisely when you should pay special attention to your intuition and, above all, your body. One of the most crucial aspects of the Life Path 11 journey is breaking free from self-imposed limitations. It's time to remove the shackles that have held you back and embrace the limitless possibilities that await you. As a Life Path 11 individual, you have a tendency to doubt yourself and your abilities. You may have fears and insecurities that prevent you from fully stepping into your power and expressing your true potential. But let me remind you, dear soul, that these limitations are self-imposed. They are based on past experiences, conditioning, and beliefs that no longer serve your highest good. The first step in breaking free from these limitations is self-awareness. Take a moment to reflect on the areas of your life where you feel limited or restricted. Is it in your career, relationships, or personal growth? Identify the patterns and beliefs that are holding you back. Awareness is the key to transformation. Once you are aware of your self-imposed limitations, it's time to challenge and release them. Understand that you are not defined by your past or by external circumstances. You have the power to create a new reality for yourself, one that is aligned with your true purpose and potential. Breaking free from limitations also involves embracing your authenticity. It's about owning and celebrating who you truly are without fear or judgment. Embracing your authenticity means letting go of the need to fit into social molds or meet others' expectations. It's about honoring your unique gifts, passions, and values. When you live authentically, you give yourself permission to shine your light brightly and inspire others to do the same. Start by identifying the aspects of yourself that you may have been hiding or suppressing. What are the passions and dreams that you've put on hold? What are the qualities and strengths that make you special? Embrace all parts of yourself, the light and the shadow, and integrate them into your being. Breaking free from limitations requires cultivating self-belief and trust in yourself and the universe or God. Name it as you like. It's about recognizing your inherent worth and the limitless support available to you. Begin by affirming your worthiness. Remind yourself daily that you are deserving of love, success, and happiness. Affirmations such as "I am worthy of all the blessings that come my way," or "I trust in my ability," and the journey that unfolds can help rewire your subconscious mind and reinforce positive beliefs. Check out my last 11/11 IAM affirmations video in the info card and in the description below. Trust in the universe and its divine plan for you. Know that every experience, whether perceived as positive or negative, is an opportunity for growth and learning. Trust that the challenges you encounter are shaping you into the person you are meant to become. Have faith that the universe has your back and is guiding you towards your highest good. Breaking free from self-imposed limitations ultimately means stepping into your power as a Life Path 11 individual. It's about fully embracing your unique gifts, purpose, and mission in this lifetime. Recognize that you have been blessed with extraordinary intuitive abilities, spiritual insight, and the capacity to make a profound impact on the world. Your sensitivity and empathy are gifts that can bring healing and transformation to those around you. Embrace these qualities and allow them to guide you on your path. Step out of your comfort zone and take inspired action towards your dreams and aspirations. Trust that you have everything you need to succeed. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you, especially when no other master numbers are around you. Seek mentors, coaches, or spiritual guides who can help you navigate your journey and provide guidance along the way. You're more than welcome to become part of this community and beautiful journey. Now listen carefully. Breaking free from self-imposed limitations is an empowering and transformative process that opens up a world of infinite possibilities. As a Life Path 11 individual, you are destined for greatness. Embrace your authenticity, cultivate self-belief and trust, and step into your power. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you impose upon yourself. If you need a break, take a break but never give up. Your spiritual growth is the key to unlocking the full potential of your Life Path 11. Let's explore some practical ways to nurture your soul and deepen your connection with the divine. If you're following me for a while, you will know that I'm a huge fan of meditation. Meditation is an invaluable practice for Life Path 11 individuals. It helps you quiet the mind, align with your higher self, and tap into the profound wisdom that resides within you. Regular meditation sessions will enhance your intuition, bring clarity to your path, and open doors to spiritual enlightenment. Embodying your authentic self is a beautiful and transformative process that allows you to live in alignment with your soul's purpose. Authenticity is the key to unlocking the true power of your Life Path 11. Embrace your unique gifts, talents, and quirks. Celebrate your individuality and express yourself authentically. When you shine your light, you inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of positivity and transformation. As a Life Path 11, you have a deep connection to abundance. It's time to shift your mindset and embrace the abundance that the universe has in store for you. Begin by cultivating an abundance mindset. Release any scarcity beliefs and trust that the universe is infinitely abundant. Practice gratitude daily and celebrate even the smallest blessings in your life. When you align your energy with abundance, you attract limitless possibilities and opportunities. Remember, you hold within you the power to create a life filled with purpose, abundance, and unconditional love. If you enjoyed today's video and found it insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow seekers of truth. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content to support your spiritual journey. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep embracing your Life Path 11 and don't limit yourself. Sending you love, light, and infinite blessings on your path. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.